Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to take a look at Windows 11. So yes, the build is out, and in order to get the build you have to be Windows Insider. So if I just go over here to Windows Updates, as you can see there is Windows Insider program, and I have already registered for uh, the dev channel. There are multiple channels on which the Windows push the updates, and currently the Windows 11 is available on the dev channel with exact let's say this version, this build 22,000.51. Okay, so if you want to try this out, I'm currently trying this out in the VMware, so in a VM, so you can try it out thoroughly if you have a VM and a good machine with at least 16 GB RAM. So I'm giving 8 GB to this Windows 11 VM and 8 GB to my primary. Okay, and as you can see, I'm on the dev channel. There are three channels, which is a beta and release preview, but currently I think they have the Windows 11 only on the dev channel pushed. Windows 11 update is only pushed on the dev channel. So I already this VM was Windows 10 Pro, and now it is, as you can see, if I just go to system quickly, and then if I just go to about this, then you can see Windows 11 Pro 21H2. Okay, install on today, and OS build and other things like this. Okay, along with this we have in the personalization, let's take a look what we have. So we have a couple of different wallpapers, as you can see over here, and if I just go to backgrounds, you can see the backgrounds that are available. Okay, and we can also get the themes from Microsoft Store, and there are color options and transparency effects options. As you can see, manual, choose your color. Let's choose light, and as you can see everything will be light. Yeah, just like that. And transparency effects are on, and then uh, yeah, that's basically it. So let's go to system and let's check it. I mean, I just installed this, so I don't have any idea uh, what are the things new. I came to know that on the maximize button, okay, if you hover, then you have these options where you can decide where you want to how you want to resize your window, right? So that is there, that is something. And yeah, that's just it, I guess. uh, like this, so you can just directly resize this, and then we have a good view, right, where we can uh, multitask basically. Obviously the file manager is also renewed with the new icons. I already showed this in the WSL video, by the way. And but we have this on the top now, right? It's kind of a Linux feel for me as well, Ubuntu feel, something like that. And then we have properties, invert selection, map network drive, and probably everything is just the same like Windows, just the UI different. So if I just create a new item, as you can see over here, if I just go to this drive, then this should be functional, new folder or new item. And okay, that's just it. Apart from that, let's take a look at other things. So we have this start menu now, uh, and as you can see we have kind of a Android app installation thing, right? So we can just install apps. If I just go to all apps, then you can see the start menu is that. And I think uh, kind of a list in our Android phone looks like this when you click on that uh, your next home screen, what you can say. Okay, and apart from that we have this, like this is like Ubuntu now. Debian or Linux, anything you can. If you have used the Zorin OS, I have made a video on my channel, so that was pretty much similar to this, and they have even better responsiveness and UI in terms of uh, user experience basically. So yeah, so what else? Let's go to apps, maybe. Let's see. So in the Android, you can see we can decide which app can use what permissions. So we have that as well in Windows. So we can decide if the app can access the camera or not, or something like that. But on Windows, as far as I know, we can just enable it for certain apps, or we can just not do anything at all. But that is limited for the apps that we install from basically from uh, Windows Store or Windows apps, I guess. But for other applications like normal executables, we don't have that. So probably that will be coming soon. But let's just hope. I'm not sure. So let's see. So let's say age. So do we have a permission layout or something like that? So if I just go over here, nope, nothing. And more settings. Let's say app execution, nice archive apps. Hmm. Okay. Privacy and security. Probably it should be in here. So let's say general activation. Yeah, camera permissions. So let's say who is using my camera. Uh, so since it is on VM, it is taking a little longer. Till then, we can just go here. Let's say search, and let's say INR to dollar. Do we have any uh, result over here like Google converter result? Yeah, we do, and it was there earlier as well, right? I hope so. And let's say uh, uh, what we can say. Okay, we have the view loaded now. So as you can see, these are the applications, and let's say I don't want Xbox to access my camera. I don't want Xbox gaming bar to access it. Skype, no, I'm not going to do anything with Skype. Desktop app web viewer. This is something interesting to look for, and this is what I'm talking about. So it is like you're in full control of what permissions you want to give it up. For example, microphone, and this was earlier in Windows 10 as well, but I'm just not sure if it is for individual exe. Let's say you're already running the exe. Microsoft is actually showing you the voice activation icon over here somewhere, so that your microphone is being used. Even if I just go back over here, as you can see, this icon is over here, and we can see which apps are using the microphone over here. So yeah, as you can see it over here. Okay, so that is nice. We have just a nice looking icons and list, and it's like a not like actually in Windows. I feel like I'm on a web browser. I just go over here. Then we have Windows updates and other things. In the gaming, we have this gaming mode optimized for your PC play, capture, save location of the recordings. So this is, I guess, the normal Xbox capture. I don't think we can record the normal screen videos from this unless and until it's a game. And since my machine is a VM, so it is giving me this. So that's okay. Okay. What else? The rest of the things, I don't personally feel any different. I mean, there are different, different locations that I might have missed. So if you have anything in mind that you want to check me out, so let me know in the comments below. I will definitely uh, check it out. System and security, system, and yeah, now it opens the again the windows. I don't like that personally. I like the older view here because anyway, you're giving two ways to the same uh, settings. Why not just put it over here in the old way? Okay, so I guess that's it for this video. If you want to check anything out, let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching.